starry lights on high, wonders of grace to God belong. Repeat His mercies in your song. He fills the sun with morning light. He bids the moon direct the night. His mercies ever shall endure. When suns and moons shall shine no more. He sent His Son with power to save from guilt and darkness and the grave. Wonders of grace to God belong. Repeat His mercies in your song. Through this vain world He guides our feet and leads us to His heavenly seat. His mercies ever shall endure. When this our world shall be no more, repeat His mercies in your song.